Throughout much of the late 19th and early 20th centuries, photography was largely regarded as a mechanical process rather than an artistic one. This began to change in the 1970s and 80s as influential art institutions, galleries, and critics started recognizing the medium's artistic potential. By the 1990s, the perception of photography had significantly changed, with many contemporary photographers gaining recognition for their work. Artists like Cindy Sherman, Andreas Gursky, and Jeff Wall emerged as leading artists using photography to explore complex themes and pushing the boundaries of the medium. These developments collectively made photography a respected and vital part of fine arts. That was all for us today, and thank you for watching and listening, and please give us a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Bye bye!